And then you can talk to RJ. Brendan, I need you to use a real big voice so we can all hear you today, buddy.
So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 blocks. But if you the bear went up one.
So you're using the bear to go up one? How does that work? Brendan, how is the bear helping you with your math, or is you just kind of using him as a pointer to climb up the stairs? He's climbing up the stairs, helping you? Say what stair it is. RJ, what can you tell me about those towers?
So, there was 1, 2, 3, 4, but at 14, I didn't notice the other one was like this. It was like as big as my hand all the way up to my finger, but so.
It was too big? Did it go up by more than one? Was your tower too big, RJ?
So it went up like this.
So what did you have to do? How did you know that wasn't right? Did you
I
know?
took like one off.
Oh,
Because I didn't know that I was putting too much on and then it wouldn't make the tower done. It looked like that it didn't really work. So I took water.
how did you know when to stop taking them off?
I don't know how many there was. So
Did you have to count them, or could you use the tower next to it to tell you when to stop taking them off? And then Mrs. Lavelle was there. Maybe she remembers how you
count
did that.
down.
You counted down?
Or you could like take all of them off at once.
So I think Mrs. McDonough, we had a really good conversation in our group when we realized that we got to step, RJ, can I have you back up for a second? We got to step number, was it step number 9, Shannon, or step number 10?
10.
And we got to step number 10 and we said, all right, we've got the very next counting number, okie dokie. And then when we put our teddy bear on to test it, do you remember what happened?
Whoa, can you guys see that? Shannon, back up so they can see.
What happened, RJ? Can you maybe model that? What happened? He was going up.
Show with the teddy bear.
Can you show how he started at the, show how he started here?
It was like this. It was the same number, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10.
Oh, he couldn't go up one, RJ? He was flat?
And so we realized when we were counting, do we count and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10?
No, 10, 11.
And we realized, oh my goodness, if he can go up one step each time, we must have made a mistake in our counting.
Which one?
So when you looked at your stairs, if one was way too tall, you knew you had to take off some blocks until it was how much taller, RJ? What do you think, Addie? If you're,
1 block.
you had to take off, it had to be 1 block taller.
So that bear could go up.
Excellent. Shannon, you want to add anything to that, Bubba?
No.
You're good? Shh. Can everybody who's already shared put their hands in their lap? Maya, put those hands. Stelio and Alexis, what do we have?
So I only went to 15 and then I draw the number line and then we write the numbers and then circle them and then we put the dots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And then you started underneath.
Yeah.
Keep going. She ran out of room. Keep going.
And then I went 14, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I didn't finish 16. Oh, I did.
That's okay. During free choice time, if you want to add some more dots, can you bring that up here? Because I want to show the kids a neat pattern that you started and then you ran out of room. Shh. Eyes on me. All right. Alexis, you can come stand right here because you did this. Here's 1. How many dots are there? Here's 2. Cam, slide over so Alexis can stand right here and you can still see. she put one dot here and one more here. How many does that make?
2.
Here's 3. How many dots do you have there, Alexis?
3.
How many are here?
2.
And one more makes,
3.
what did you do for 4?
I put 3 and then add one more.
3 and 1. 4 and 1. And then she ran out of room. She didn't know we could tape on more paper, so then she changed her pattern. So she has different combinations here. Like 6, you have 4 and, how many are up top?
2.
When we did spill the cup yesterday, how many of you got a lot of 4 and 2s? Remember that combination? You were all complaining that it was always 4s and 2s.
Me too.
Stilio, you want to share your tower? Good job, Alexis. What? Come on up. I'll help you. I know. Stand right here. All right. Tell us what you did.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
How many dots in the 1 row? How many dots in the 2 row?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And then 8, we started running out of room, so he was doubling up his dots, right? But if we count them, there are 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8. Right? I could have taped on more paper. No stone. Lilibel, what do you got?
Well, I went.
You worked with Alex, yes?
Yeah.
Will, will you slide over? So Alex can sit next to Lily.
I also need to go get my thing.
Go grab it.
So I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and then 15, 20, and then
Count them. It's after 9.
and then 10.
What's going to come after 10? You didn't have time for all your dots, but you have them glued on. When you're counting, what comes after 10?
8,
8, 9, 10.
11.
You do number line. 11, 12. Bring it up. Let me show. Look how her paper gets taller. She even had to glue on more dots. Can you see that? So how many taller does each row go, Riley? Each row gets how many dots taller? Do you like to hold it this way or this way? Each row gets how many dots taller or longer? 1. Good job, Alex. All right, Alex. First of all, take that yellow cube off that you just added and show the kids how you know you were missing a cube. I love this. Watch what happened. Alex just said to Miss McDonough, I need to run and get another cube. Show them how you knew that, Alex. Can you tell just by looking at his towers that his last 2 are the same height?
Yeah.
So he knew without even counting, just looking, that he needed to run and get one more yellow cube. Snap it on, Alex, and let's see what happens. The last step goes up by 1. All right, boys, what do you got for us? Just tell us what you were doing, and don't worry about that. Just tell us how you were showing it. Big voice, Riley.
We did 1 here, then 2 here, then 3 here, then 4 here, then 5 here, then 6 here, then 7 here, then 8 here, then 9 here, then 10 here, 11 here.
It's going to keep going. Cam, what's happening to your link chains as they go up? They're connecting, but do they get bigger, longer, smaller, shorter? What happens? They get bigger by how many? All right, can you leave your materials on the rug? We have one last one to show you, but it's set up on the red table.
I think we have one over here too.
Oh, I know what you meant.
Catherine, I think.
Oh, Catherine, are you ready? Great. Tell us about yours, and then we'll go to the table. Big voice, sweetie. You went to 12. So, Maddie, oh, who's your partner, Catherine? Maddie, tell me about that. What's happening to your chains? They're getting bigger and bigger. Yours reminds me of like a mountain. It's neat because look at the chains here. And then look at the chains there. Theirs are spread out and theirs are together. They look kind of different but the same, don't they? They're getting taller. Theirs are just, it looks different because they're squished together. That's awesome. All right, can we project that one, Mrs. Is it easier than going around the table?